Well, in this morning's Better Health, Karina Allen talks with the doctor from Metropolitan Dermatological Center, where it's easy to head in for a checkup.
Nancy.
Hi there.
How are you?
When was the last time you got that kind of reception from your doctor? But at Metropolitan Dermatologic Surgery, Nancy English says it's what she's come to expect.
Actually, it is a pleasure to see Dr. Papadopoulos because he's just so personable.
Dr. P, as his patients call him, is a dermatologist specializing in the prevention and treatment of skin cancer. So he encourages his patients to come in for regular checkups.
It's important for us to convey to patients that it would be much in your favor for us to get you when things are just beginning, rather than for you to let things go for a long period of time.
And he means it. If one of his patients calls with a concern, they get an appointment right away.
We take care of them if we can that day. Not if we can, we really insist, if they don't mind waiting, that we see them that particular day.
Best of all, if you do need surgery, Dr. Papadopoulos specializes in something called Mohs surgery, a state-of-the-art procedure that has one of the highest cure rates. He can process it in the clinic's on-site pathology lab. And Nancy says the process is relatively painless and leaves almost no scarring.
Dr. Papadopoulos, it took him an hour to put in all those little bitty stitches. And they know what they're doing and take very much pride in doing a good job.
It's great seeing you. Stay well.
It's that kind of treatment that keeps patients like Nancy coming back time and again. For Better Mornings Atlanta, I'm Karina Allen.
And we do have a link to Metropolitan Dermatologic Surgery on our website. Just go to our homepage and click on the Better Health tab.
You can see it right there.
Good stuff. Well, you know, today.
Hey, we still have at least another month of beach season, but the sunshine that feels so good on your skin right now can certainly have serious consequences on down the road. Fortunately, there is some help available. Our very own Karina Allen caught up with the doctors from Metropolitan Dermatologic Surgery in Atlanta.
Come on and have a seat.
Joe Skillen spent his youth on a beach. Now he says he's paying for it.
I probably had 100 skin cancers taken off my body.
But not all cancers are created equal. Dr. Diamandis Papadopoulos explains that the most common types of skin cancer are the basal and squamous cell carcinomas. But it's the most serious, the melanoma, that he says is most often overlooked.
And it's hard for people to understand that a little tiny dark freckle-like mole may kill you.
For that reason, he says it's imperative for everyone to get regular checkups, especially if they notice a mole that's changing.
Changing color, changing shape, changing size. That is a critical thing to come in for.
So critical that he says he'll see you the same day that you call.
I don't care if I have to be here till 9 o'clock. I'll see you today.
The good news is that once you're diagnosed, Dr. Papadopoulos has the facility to take care of you. His practice, Metropolitan Dermatologic Surgery, offers a one-stop shopping experience. With their own on-site pathology lab, doctors there are able to perform a state-of-the-art technique called Mohs micrographic surgery that offers the highest cure rate in the industry.
It's because we can, under one roof, remove the tumor and in 99% of the circumstances, take care of that defect right here.
Joe Skillen says that's important to him. But what keeps him coming back is the doctor himself.
As much as I appreciate his professional skills, even more so, I love him. He's a terrific human being, huge heart, and that makes a difference to me.
All right, there you go. Metropolitan Dermatologic Surgery has locations at both the Emory Clinic Perimeter Building and on the campus of St. Joseph's Hospital. If you want some more information, you can go to our website. Check it out at cbsatlanta.com.
Welcome back to Better Mornings Atlanta, 5:23 right now. I'm Tracy Hutchins. You know, summer is almost over, but the threat of skin cancer is still very real. Unfortunately, though, there is some help. Karina Allen caught up with the doctors from Metropolitan Dermatologic Surgery in Atlanta.
As a doctor with Metropolitan Dermatologic Surgery, Dr. DJ Papadopoulos spends a lot of time looking at slides through a microscope. But he says the most important part of his practice is seeing patients.
Now, we've helped now close to 30,000 people in our practice.
George Callahan is one of them.
First, I resisted it because I don't like needles, as most people don't. but the first time I had it done, I didn't even know the injection had taken place.
The procedure George had done is called Mohs micrographic surgery, a state-of-the-art technique that has one of the highest cure rates in the industry. And since Metroderm has its own pathology lab on site, the whole process can be taken care of in one place.
You know, we feel like this is, you know, if you have a skin cancer, you have a spot that comes up, that we're very well equipped to take care of you, and really that's what we want to do.
In addition to diagnosis and treatment, the doctors at Metroderm also focus on detection. But Dr. Papadopoulos says it's a constant challenge to get patients to come in for regular checkups.
It's hard for any of us to believe that a little tiny mole may kill us.
He explains that the most common types of skin cancer are the basal and squamous cell carcinomas, but it's the most serious, the melanoma, that's most often overlooked. For that reason, he tells patients if you're concerned about a spot, he'll see you the same day you call.
I don't care if I have to be here till 9 o'clock. I'll see you today.
It's that kind of dedication that keeps the patients at Metroderm healthy and happy about coming back. For Better Mornings Atlanta, I'm Karina Allen.
Well, Metropolitan Dermatologic Surgery has locations at both Emory Clinic, Perimeter Building, and on the campus of St. Joseph's Hospital. For more information, you can head to our website, cbsatlanta.com.